Hi, Dave Coble with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. I'm aboard a 2004 43 GT Poker Run edition of Black Thunder. It's a really nice boat, low hours, just hit, just right at 300 hours. The boat's really in good shape. If I can show you here, the upholstery is all in good order. That's just a little speck of dirt. Nice steps, everything is in good shape. You start looking at the stitching, it's all nice. Nice set of steps, a way to go up to the front. Beautifully appointed helm. It's just a gorgeous boat. Again, I'm Dave Coble. This is MarineMax Lake Ozarks. You can reach us at 573-365-5382. You can ask for Dave Coble, or any of us can help you. Thanks. Bye.